Do you want to make your ChatGPT account more secure? In this video, I will show you how to set up Passkeys for ChatGPT to protect your account from unauthorized access without relying only on passwords. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to ChatGPT, as you see. In this page, you will go to above to this sign of two lines here, so you will tap. After that, in this window, you will have this page of your account. You will tap here on this sign. Then you will find your account here, your profile. So you will scrolling down until you find something called security. So you will click on security here, and after that you will find Passkeys. So you will enter to Passkeys, and here we'll find create a passkey. As you see, they said to you passkeys are more secure than a password, and adding one takes less than a minute, as you see here. So you can create it in minutes, as they said to you here. You click on create, and you will wait a moment. And when you click here, you will choose your account here, and you will click on create. So that when you click on create, then you will be able to create your passkey on your account on ChatGPT to make it more secure and privacy. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.